In this tutorial, you shall learn the best PC tips and tricks that may be useful in your everyday computer use. 1. Control plus Shift plus Escape key will bring up the task manager. 2. Windows plus Tab will help you to easily switch windows. 3. Windows plus L will lock your computer. 4. Windows plus E is a quick way of opening File Explorer. 5. Windows plus period will bring up inbuilt computer emoji. 6. When a lot of windows are opened and you want to close them, hold the one you want open and shake it. Others will minimize. 7. To change your cursor, go to Settings, select Ease of Access, Mouse Pointer. Drag to change the size of your mouse pointer. Change the color here. Eight. Use the spacebar to scroll down the web page. It will help you not to miss anything on the web page. 9. Go to the application you always use, right-click. Go to Properties, select Shortcut key. Put a combination. Click OK. Anytime you type the combination, the application will open up. 10. Slide to shut down. On your desktop, right-click, select New. Click Shortcut. Type slide to shut down. Click Next. Click Finish. We now have a new shortcut added to the desktop. Double-click on the shortcut. A theme will come up. Slide it down to shut down the PC. Hope you have gotten some values from this tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Have a great day.